Guys, how are you all? I'm glad you all remembered on the time as well. Next week as well, we have at the same time, okay, guys? And we don't have class on February 5th. Okay. Hi, Lishita.
Hi.
Okay, let's go ahead. Okay. Let me first ask you a couple of. I don't want this. Okay. How about this? Okay. Okay, let's see. How are we on our homework, guys? Lishita, you have to wait for a while, Lishita. We will first discuss the homework. We'll understand what were the issues, what were not the issues, all that stuff, and then Nidhi has not come in, right? Oh my God, Nidhi's mom did not see, I think. Okay, okay, because she was the one who talked to me about polynomials. Okay, I gave an intro on polynomials. Yeah, I would like to hear from Jay. What Jay, your dad asked me for the answer key, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, right away I'm going to give that. And what are they doing in school, Jay?
We're taking a test tomorrow over properties of exponents.
Oh, properties of oh, they're slow, which is good for me. Okay, that's good. So, how comfortable are you, Jay, for that?
That's really easy now.
It's really easy. That's nice to know, Jay. Okay. Did they cover radicals?
Yeah,
Is that easy?
yeah.
Small problem.
Okay.
Your list is not showing up there.
Hmm?
Your list is not showing up there.
It's not up there?
Is it supposed to be?
Yeah, let's see. Wait, let me finish this. So, you wanted which chapter answers, Jay?
The whatever pages we're doing now.
Why don't you check the module number and tell me, Jay? I think 14
Okay,
is what.
wait one sec.
Okay. Feel free to tell me the module numbers, right? Meaning, I think it's 14, but I don't want to make a mistake and make your dad ask me again. So, Dhruv, how was the homework, Dhruv?
Um, for me it was pretty easy. I finished it.
Oh, polynomials was easy.
Yeah.
Hey, Avyuk, did you not go for the exam?
Exam is right after this class.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, you're attending at 8, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good to know. That's nice. Okay. Good to know, guys. Okay. So, I'll post it as material. All the best, okay?
Miss Priya, it's 14.1.
Yeah. 14th unit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to
Thank
post
you.
it. I'm going to post it. Okay. Ashrita, I wanted to talk to you and your mom after the class, remember? Let me talk to you and your mom after the class. Is that okay? Is that fine, Ashrita? 14, 15, 16, 14, 15, 16, 11, 12 I'm giving, guys. Please don't abuse the answer keys, okay? It is all for you to value and do with integrity. Make sense? All the unit module answers I'm putting it in the Google Classroom. Any questions for me? Please always check your work and then submit. Make sense? Okay, polynomial, coming to the homework, right? I have huge problems. There are so many people who have not submitted. I don't want to call out, but at the same time, Lakshmita, did you finish?
Yeah, I just wasn't able to submit this for you. Sorry.
Oh, okay. No problem if you have done or you have a hands-on, that's fine. What are you doing in school, Lakshmita?
We're about to have our test on all the properties of exponents.
Oh, then they're moving slow. Okay, Nidhi, what are you doing in school, ma?
Well, I think we just finished polynomials.
You just okay. Then where are they going into now?
I don't know. We just had the test yesterday, so I don't know what we're doing next.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Avyuk, did you submit your homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then let's move on. So if the polynomial intro I gave you, I know. But you know what I skipped? Harshit, what are you doing in school?
Me?
Yeah, Harshit.
We're doing what's it called? We're doing scatter plots.
Oh, then that's easy.
Yeah.
That's easy. Okay, I clearly. Hey, are you attempting AMC this year?
I don't know. I think I am. Huh?
Sorry, guys, I lost my battery. Sorry, guys. Okay, Harshit, go ahead.
Yeah, I think I am.
Give a minute, guys. I just want the volume to be up. Okay. So can we revise a little bit on polynomials before we move on, or I plan to go ahead with? Did we do geometric sequences in your class? No, not really, right? Okay. You all know about arithmetic sequences, remember?
Yeah,
How good are you all with arithmetic sequences? Guys, you remember or you don't remember something, you have to let me know, guys.
I remember.
Okay. So let me cover both. Meaning in the sense I'll ask you and cover both. Okay. For some time you're going to adjust with this whiteboard. Okay. Whatever comes in, I'm going to share with you. After that, we'll see. I want a new whiteboard. Yeah, this one is going to be crazy whiteboard. For a while you're going to adjust with this, okay? Because I don't have any other go in this machine till my machine comes up, okay? Okay. So let's say I have a sequence, okay? One, you're going to adjust for a while, okay? Till I get my machine up and running, okay? So 3 terms of a sequence are given as 4, 8, and then 12. Now, what type of a sequence is it, Samanvi? What type of a sequence is it if I have this? Hey, do you remember or not? You can say I don't remember as well. I welcome anything.
One second.
Oh, you don't remember? Uh-huh. Don't worry about not knowing. You know me, right?
I don't remember.
Okay. Who remembers it? If we have a sequence, the first term, second term, third term, as... Yes, go ahead.
Multiple.
Sorry, Harsha. Wait. Yes, Harshad, go ahead.
Multiplicative.
Is it multiplicative sequence? Why do you think it's a multiplicative sequence?
Because for 1 it's 4, 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 it's 8, 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 it's 12, so 3 times 4 is 12.
Yeah, okay, I see. Okay. So let me go ahead and rewrite it for you. So first term, second term, third term, I talked about 4, 8, 12. Now when I look at it, right, when I look at the sequence, you're talking about, yes, you're comparing the input and output, right, Harshit? Great, okay. Till date, in 6th and 7th, we learned additive and multiplicative sequence, meaning additive and multiplicative meaning additive pattern and multiplicative pattern is what we studied, and that was the relationship between x and y. Sometimes y will be equal to x plus something, sometimes y will be equal to x times something, okay. This was multiplicative pattern, this was additive pattern, this we learned, okay. But in arithmetic sequences, this year in algebra, we studied about some sequences at the start. This was 1, 2, 3. Here, when you look at it, do you see something on the output alone? Guys, I have a doubt now whether I did it. Lishita, have you studied arithmetic sequences?
Yes.
Okay, do you know what are they?
It's like a pattern in like between output and input.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let me share my screen and show you. Okay, it's okay to forget the whiteboard. See, guys, we have done. You guys make me think whether I really did arithmetic sequences. See here? You have done a quiz as well on arithmetic sequences. See, 13 of you have submitted that time. See, there was a quiz on 24th September on arithmetic sequences. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see. The problem is you all have forgotten. Okay, Amma, but it's so important to remember this. Otherwise, see, it's going to be again a big revision on it. Okay, so let's see what I can do. I'm going to go ahead. Let's see what I can do. Let's go ahead and revise. Okay, clearly many of you have not forgotten, and it's okay. Okay, so let's see. There's an input output, the first term of the sequence, second term of the sequence, third term of the sequence. So I'm going to go ahead, review a little bit of these sequences as well. I talked about 4, 8, 12. Does anybody remember what type of sequence is this? Do any of you remember what type of sequence is this?
Isn't it additive?
Additive.
Arithmetic?
Yes. Yes. Avyuk, do you remember what we did? Vikyat, Kavin?
I remember some of it.
Please go ahead and tell us something. I will develop
Like-
on. What do you see here? Just the output. Don't worry about the input. It's all sequential. So just the output. What do you see on the output?
It's increasing by 4.
Yes, it's increasing by 4. And do you see a common difference? What is this common difference D? Common difference D. Guys, this is so important to write your end of course exam. Definitely they will have questions on this. Common difference between your terms. But what is this common difference? Let's say I'll call this as my first term. Okay, I'll call this as my second term. I'll call this as my third term. Considering it like this, right? Common difference is always A2 minus A1, A3 minus A1. So in short, I can call it a successive term minus the previous term. You cannot do the other way, guys. Previous term and a successive term you cannot do. That's a very common mistake that most of you will do even after telling. But you have to do successive term minus the previous term. So that's called the common difference.
Wait, then A3 minus A1 wouldn't work, right?
What is it?
A3
no, successive term minus the previous term means A3 and A1 are not successive term previous term, right?
Yeah.
So what are the successive and the previous term?
A3 and A2.
That's right. So A3 minus A2 is the same as A2 minus A1. And when I continue this, what happens? 16, fifth term is 20. So like that it moves on, right? So now when you think about it, right, there is a common difference. When there is a common difference between your outputs, right, you call, let's plot it. Then I'll introduce you to several things. Let's plot it in a coordinate plane. How to plot it in a coordinate plane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to plot it literally. Okay, let me plot it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, this is the case 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 3, I have 12, right? 2, 8, sorry, I made a mistake. What is this I'm doing, guys? 1, 4, that's right. 2, 8 is here. 2, 8, 3, 12. Does that make sense, guys?
Yes.
So what do you get if I connect them? What do you get if I connect them? What is this?
A straight line.
A straight line. Good job. Yes. So sequences that differ. See? Sequences that differ by a common difference. It's just addition. Plus 4. Additive difference. Do you see? And when plotted into a coordinate plane, they form a line. They are called arithmetic sequences. In an arithmetic, see, I'm reteaching and just wasting our class time. That's what I'm seeing. That's why you need to remember. Okay. Now let's see. So sometimes the A1, the first term of the sequence, I can write it out as f of first term, meaning 1 is my input, this is function of 1 is my output. A2, please don't call this as f times 2. This is f of 2, f of 1. A3 refers to f, f of 3. Any questions? Okay, can I move on? Sorry. Okay, I'm going to write this in here. I like the f of 1, 2, 3. I'm going to ask you some questions, guys. Same sequence, okay? I did not do anything else. Now, this was plus 4, plus 4. Now, let's say I have f of 1 given as 4 here, f of 2 given as 8 here. Can you find out f of 3? How do you find out f of 3? Tell me, guys.
F of 2 minus F of 1.
F of 3, the third term will be what?
12.
Correct. F of 3 will be 12, but how did you get that?
By multiplying it by the common difference.
Multiplying or adding, Amma?
Oh,
Go ahead.
multiplying.
You add 4 to 8, right?
Oh, yeah.
You see it? So, can I say f of n will be equal to the previous term plus 4? Or I can say an equal to an minus 1 plus 4. Can I say that? Instead of 4, I want to be very sophisticated and write the generic terms. D. Is it okay? So, being able to write the next term from a previous term, from its previous term I'm just adding the common difference, right? This is called the recursive rule. Recursive rule of arithmetic sequences. Any questions? Guys, this was all discussed. I'm reteaching all this. Now, are you all clear with, see, only consecutive terms, an minus 1. If they give you the fourth term and ask for the fifth term, then what do? You will get this in plus the common difference you'll add. Got it? That's the recursive rule. Makes sense, right? Okay, now I'm going to go for the bigger picture. You know this, you know this, you know this. Okay, you know what I give you? I give you the first term. Okay, I give this to you and tell you what is your common difference. What is my fifth term from the first term? How to calculate that? Anybody can tell me? How will you calculate the fifth term from the first term? See, I'm not giving you the previous term now. I'm making it a little harder. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Harshad.
You take the first term and then you add it to 4 times the common.
Take the first term and add it what?
4 times.
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. You add 4 fours to it. If I want the sixth term, again I'll take the first term and add what to it? 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 times 4 I add. Do you see it? To get to the seventh term, what do? I take the first term plus how many common differences I add?
4.
6
times
common
6.
differences. See, if it is the 7th term, I add 6 common differences. Suppose if it is the 99th term I want in the sequence, I get 4 plus what do?
98, 4 times 98.
Yeah, 98 common differences I add. So, let me come up with a general formula. Suppose I want the nth term, what do? First term, I'll call it as f of 1 plus, how many common differences I need to add? 99th term, 98 common difference. 7th term, 6 common difference. 6th term, 5 common difference.
N minus 1 common difference.
Exactly, n minus 1 common differences you'll add. Make sense? This is called the explicit formula. Lishita, have you come across this already or?
Yes, already, yes.
Okay. Explicit formula for arithmetic sequences. Make sense, guys? If you're given the first term and if you're given the common difference, you would be able to predict what is the nth term of the sequence. Make sense? You know what? I'm not going to dive deep into the problems for this because we've already done it. The homework for you this week is go back to September classes, whoever attended, go back and see what is this sequence, go into your book and see what is that, and then you are going to learn and come back. I'm going to quiz you next class. Make sense? I will add an assignment if you want on arithmetic sequences for you to do. Meaning, you have to go back and check what we learnt about it. Go to the book. You have the book, right? So, go to the pages where there is arithmetic sequences covered. Look at the logic. Look at the concept. Definitely you need to know the recursive rule and explicit rule. Both of this we have covered now. So, based on this understanding, work through the problems given there, at least 5 problems, and then come back to next class. 100% you will get one question in the EOC exam on this. Okay, can I move on now? So, coming to arithmetic sequences, I'm just reiterating on that. Coming to arithmetic sequences, you can write the nth term as the previous of that term plus the common difference. This is called the recursive rule. Just don't write out the formula and go, guys. I don't like that. You need to understand how they came. Suppose if you're given the first term, what do? You add how many common differences?
One.
Huh?
However many you need.
How many common differences I need to add? If it is the nth term, I'll add how many common differences?
N minus 1.
N minus 1 time common difference I'll add. This is called the explicit rule. Make sense, guys? Okay. A very quick problem. Okay. Just because you did not remember, I cannot just like that keep going as well. So let's see. How about this? 5, 10, 15, 20. I really want to know what will be the 20th term. What is the 20th term? You can just plug in. It's very easy. Okay. But I really want you guys to plug in. If you understood and you plug in, then you'll get the right answer. Can I see?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
do you care which formula we use or like which rule we use?
I don't want you to do the recursive rule from number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. I don't want you to do that. I want you to use the explicit rule. You get it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I remember this, but I thought explicit rule was f times n minus 1 plus d, and recursive rule was f function of 1 plus n minus 1 times d.
I see. Okay, go ahead and do and tell the answer, guys. You know what? Actually, 535 we did, right? I don't know. Let's see. I didn't review your radicals and rational exponents. Okay, let's see. Understanding geometric, geometric sequences is important now. Let's see. Kavin, Johan, I think you got it, guys. Dhruv, you got it. Samanvi, you got it. Avyut, very nice. Harshat, very nice. No problem at all, Harshat. I saw your message. I understood. See, Harshat, I get it. I hear you. Go ahead. Lishita, the way you can message me is using chat, ma. When it is a discussion, you can shout out. But when you're doing a problem, I need to understand how each of you are responding. So I would really prefer you chatting with me. Chat is such a way that you can only chat with me. So nobody gets to know each other's answers.
Okay, so do you want me to chat you the
Absolutely, ma. Then only I'll know, right?
Okay.
Nidhi. Akshita? Is that right, Akshita? Can you shout out what you did, Akshita?
1 second, I'll check my calculations.
No, you don't need to
again.
check. It's okay. Good to go wrong. Can you shout out? Can you work with me?
Can I check it again, please?
Okay. Emma, doesn't really matter if you make a mistake. Okay, go ahead. Lishita, how did you do? You want to explain to us how you did? You want to check as well? Doesn't matter, Lishita. Go ahead and explain.
So I took the
Jay, I'm waiting. Jay and Vikyat, what are you both doing?
so the additive rule was +5.
Mm-hmm.
I did 5 plus 5 times 19 because n minus 1. And then I got 190 from that.
Wait. 5. What did you do here?
I added 5. Is that not correct? Or
You added 5. But there is an order of operation that you've learned, right? What should be done first here? Will you add? No.
Oh, you
I know how you got it, lady. You added these two and multiplied, right? Remember the order of operations. Which one should be done first?
the multiplication.
So that's the deal. Okay. So good job, guys. So you will get 19 times 5 is what? Is 195 plus 5 is 200 is the answer. Jay, I didn't get an answer from you. Does it mean that you did not understand?
I was solving it, but then I messed up.
19 times 5 is
It's 195. I thought it was 95.
95. I'm sorry. So 100. Sorry.
yeah.
Sorry, guys. Good job finding. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Ashruta, you got the answer, right? I just want to be sure. Wait.
Yeah, I got 100.
You know how to do it, but did you send the answer? That's my thought.
Yeah, I sent it. I got
Good job,
100.
lady. Very nice. Okay, now we are going to get into. I'm not going to do more problems, ma, because that was all done. A test was given. I don't know why you guys don't remember, but now we revised it. Geometric sequences are a little different. Okay, X, Y. So I'm going to give examples and going to plot them, and you're going to see how they are going to turn out as well. Okay, how about this? What is this, guys? Who can explain what is going on in the sequence? Lakshmita, I didn't get your answer. Guys, don't make me call person by person by person. Okay, I will be noting who is not answering. Go ahead. Geometric sequences. What type of sequence is this? What is this? Tell me, guys. Anybody? See, when you figure it out, you'll remember forever. Go
Isn't
ahead.
it multiplicative?
Yeah, but what is that? What is that common multiplication factor called?
Times 2.
What is
Oh,
it? Lishita, go ahead.
Times 2.
Times 2 is a good thing, but what is this 2 called? I will give a name. There it was common difference, right? This is called common ratio. Make sense, guys?
yeah.
Here it's always multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now tell me, guys, if I want to get the 5th term, I know the 4th term, what will I do?
multiply 4th term by 2.
So 5th term I want, I have the 4th term, multiply by
2.
2. So can I generically write it? F of n is?
F of n minus 1 times r.
Good. Otherwise, I can write that out as g of n. This time is geometric sequence. G of n minus 1 times r. What is this rule called? Who can tell me the name of the rule? Jay, you tell me what is the name of the rule? Same thing,
Recursive.
right? Yeah, precursive rule for
The
geometric
other one's
sequence.
explicit.
Yeah, exactly. This is for geometric sequences. Okay, explicit you want to tell, you want to try, Jay, or see, if you don't want to try, I'll pass it on. I'm not putting you under the bus. No, I will help you. I've never taught you that, so I will help you. So how about this? Let's try, Jay. Now what do you do to find out the 7th term from the first term is given? That is the explicit formula, right? From there, what do you do? The first term, you multiply it with what, Jay? First term you multiply with what? How many times? 1, 2, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps. To come here, it's 6 steps. So 2 times what?
6.
2.
6 steps, right?
2 power of 6, right?
Oh, okay.
Because you multiply by 2, 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 multiply by 2. How many multiplies by 2?
6.
6 multiplies by 2. I can write it out as 2 power of 6. So generically, if I write it for nth term, I
F
will.
of n, I think it's f of n is equal to n minus 1.
Wait a minute.
Sorry, no. F of
Nth term is this is the first term, right, Harshad?
huh?
Go from there. Go from there.
So the first term, then you go
Times.
to times n minus 1 to the power of r.
Not really. Not really. What is this? Not
Two.
quite. R. Good. Harshad, go ahead. What is this 2?
Oh, r to the power of n.
R power of n minus 1. Good job. Very good try, Harshad. So basically, what I'll do, f of n will be equal to the first term times r power of n is your explicit formula for geometric sequence. Lakshmita, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, ma.
Is it n minus 1?
Yeah, ma. Sorry, ma. Thank you, Johan. I really appreciate it. N minus 1 for geometric sequences. Let me write it down correctly, guys. I don't want you to take it out wrongly. R power of n minus 1. Good. You all got it? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the 20th term? Oh my God, Rushita. Okay. Oh, I know what happened. Go ahead. Hey, Rushita. Arush.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, guys. Sorry, I know Rushita. Now only remember your other class.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Sorry, Rushita.
No, you're good. It's okay. I'm
No,
sorry.
I also made a mistake. I'll do one thing. I am recording as much as I know I'm recording. I'll make sure you have it. Okay,
Yes,
but
okay.
definitely watch, Amma. Definitely watch and let me know if you have trouble. I'll help you.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Miss Priya. I'll watch.
Yeah, sure. And come back if you have problems. I will deal with it after these 2 weeks. You got it?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Arush, did you not see the time of the class?
No, I thought it was at 5:45.
No, right? This
My
class.
mom never told me.
You have okay. If
Because I
I
don't
don't know,
know.
I don't want you to have a mobile. But if you have a mobile, why don't you join the group?
I don't have a phone.
Okay, then mom should have told you. I messaged.
She
I
was
emailed.
she was at work though, so I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead. That's fine. We can discuss that later. Go ahead and find out 20th term.
For the one.
Vikyat, are you able to see? Why are you? I feel like you're sitting in the dark. Yes,
Oh
Arush.
yeah, I can see. I can turn on a light if you'd like.
No. I don't want it, Arush. It's the Vikyat.
No, but I can see correctly.
Yeah, if you can see, I'm fine. Go ahead. What is the 20th term, guys? You have to send it to me now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
could I go to the restroom?
Yeah. Go and come back quickly. Is anyone else going for AMC8 afterwards, after the class? Okay. So, Avyuk, you're the only one. Good luck. Okay. Lakshmita. Is it that big of a number? Yes. So I'm so sorry. Did I make you work on the calculator, Lakshmita?
Yeah.
I gave the question from my brain, so it's a mess. So I didn't feel it was a huge number. But it's okay. If you use the calculator and got it, I'm happy. Good job, Harshad. Avyukt, nice. Lishita.
It's in the millions?
It is in the millions. Yeah. Wait, I will check and tell you. Hold on. I'm a little off. It's in the million, but 1048576. Lishita.
Wait,
Why you added one extra zero? What did you? Can you check Amma once more?
Miss Priya, are we allowed to use calculators for this?
Yes, for this one. Because it was from my brain, it ended up in a big number. I'm sorry.
wait, just to
Govind,
clarify, this is f of 20, right?
correct. F of 20, Madhuru. Go ahead.
That's my answer.
Yeah, Vikyat, I'm seeing. Harshad, did you get it?
Yeah, I sent it.
Yes. Sorry. Go ahead. Samanvi, did you get it? Johan, you doing? Rishita, for a while you wait, ma.
Sending
See,
it.
for geometric sequences, we discussed that. We discussed the recursive formula, meaning when the previous term is given, how to find out the next term. You just multiply with the common ratio. Common ratio is the factor with which you multiply to get to the next term, right?
Mm-hmm.
So common ratio is always successive term by the previous term in geometric sequences.
Okay.
Okay, what is a geometric sequence? The next term and the previous term are always, you get the next term by multiplying with the common ratio of the previous term. Whenever you have multiplication by common ratio, then it is a geometric sequence.
Mm-hmm.
Makes
Yeah,
sense?
okay.
Then we discussed that for the next term, you get the previous term times the common ratio. The explicit formula was from the first term, if you're given the first term, you multiply the common ratio n minus 1 times to get the nth term. That is the explicit formula.
Okay.
Wait, so it's
So-
basically like a power sequence?
Yeah, power sequence, correct. Samanvi, is that right? Lishita, I'm waiting for your corrected answer. Yes, Jay,
Just
correct.
sent it.
Oh, sorry, ma, I did not see. Oh my gosh, Lishita. Somewhere something went wrong, Lishita. I don't know what went wrong. How are you? Meaning, I don't know what you're doing in the calculator. So let's see. First term is what? 2 times. What is the common ratio? 2 power 19. What are you doing, ma? 2 power of 19 is what?
It was
I don't know, guys. Okay, let me bring up the cal. 2 power of 19 is what? You have
262,144.
2 power of 19 is 52, 42, 88, right? Do you have a physical calculator or a calculator? Do you have a physical calculator?
No, I've been using my phone calculator.
What is that? TI-84?
It's the default Apple one.
Oh. That too, the way you are typing it is incorrect, ma.
Oh, okay.
No. Check it in an online okay. Guys, typing it in an online calculator is an art as well. You have to develop that for Algebra 1. As always, I tell you, I can show you. I always go to ti84calc.com. I expect every one of you in this class to have that same calculator so you can use it till your SAT exam. Right? So here 2 power of 19, how do you do it? 2 power 19. You enter
Miss
that.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I don't know if it's only me, but I can't see your screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you can see. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, ma. So then I'll do it from the first. I'm sorry. Clear? 2 power 19. Enter. This is what you get. Times 2. This is your answer. Make sense, guys? Lishita, where was the mistake, ma? Somewhere in the typing?
Yeah, I think it was just that.
Okay, but definitely you have to know how to use the calculator. Okay, I'll move on now. I'm going to go ahead with problems in geometric sequences. Okay, how about this? Now that you know geometric sequences, you have the explicit formula, you have the recursive formula. We are going to do problems on geometric sequences. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to stop the class and ask. But you know what? We never put it into graph. I really want to show you putting it into the graph. I will do that next. 36 minus 12, 4 minus 1 by 3. This is your sequence. Can you find out f of 9? I have given you the first term. The nth term is 9. You have to find your common ratio. What is the common ratio? Who can tell me about the common ratio here? Johan, why don't you tell me?
Is it a negative 1/3?
Good. It is a reducing sequence.
Auntie,
Yeah,
the
ma?
last number is negative 4/3, I think.
Oh, the next number is -4. Let me check, ma.
The last number in the
Yes, yes. I don't think so.
Because if it's negative 1/3, then
I
4
hear you.
times
I completely hear you. I feel like the book has also given it incorrectly. I'm checking. Hold on. What you say seems right though. 1 minute, ma. 4/3. It should have been 4/3, right? That's what you're saying, right, Harshat? Yeah. But I feel like the book also has it incorrectly. Okay. I'm glad we are able to find out. Okay, there is a typo in the book. Go ahead. What is f of 9? Good that you were able to find it out, Harshat. F of 9 is what? Take your time, guys. Please use the formula correctly. Go ahead and do it then. Wow. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி தெரியாது சாப்பிக்க. Would you be able to see if you have trouble, right? If you're feeling shy, right? Message me. Doesn't matter. I can do it on the board quickly for the person who is asking me. If you keep quiet, nothing is going to happen in the class. Thanks. I want it in a big. Drew, good job on the previous one. Arush, are you following Arush? Johan, good job on the previous
Yeah.
one. Yes. But did you understand what is geometric sequence? You came late, right?
Yeah.
Did you understand? Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Really appreciate it. Oh, really? Okay, I don't know, Kevin. Then the book answer seems incorrect to me.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
do you want in decimal form or
No, fraction form. I'm glad you asked. Fraction form, please.
Okay.
But that's easy to compare, right? I don't know. Otherwise, I'll have to calculate. Drew, that seems correct because that's the same answer that Kavin has got. Lishita, you also keep sending answers. You'll get used to it. If you don't know, just say you don't know. That's fine too. Samanvi, did you get it?
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
on the calculator, how do we type in an exponent on the T184 one?
Okay, I'll help you.
T184.
Yeah, I'll help you. Hold on. I'll help you. You should know how to work with the calculator on any of these, okay? Otherwise, you ask. Wait, let me do it for you. You're going to tell me the numbers, okay, ma?
Okay.
I am going to share screen. What ad is this, guys? Hold on. Yep. Can you tell me the numbers, ma?
Yeah, so first I'm doing -1/3 to the power of
No. Please tell the numbers I gave you. Okay, I can write it. 36 minus 12, 6, and -4/3. Correct, ma?
We can't see what you're writing on the board.
yeah.
You can see what I'm writing on. Are you seeing the calculator?
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
we can see the calculator.
Oh, wow. Okay, 36. Are you able to see?
No.
Interesting, guys. I don't know why. Wait. Vaibhav, I have a quick question. Okay, Vaibhav is gone. Okay. Are you able to see now?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the numbers I gave you. So basically, the nth term is what? The first term times r power of n minus 1. What is r here? You all said that the r is
-1/3.
So f of I asked you for the ninth term, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So f of 1 is 36 times minus 1 by 3 power n minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 8. Since it's an even power, the negative value, the negative sign will go away because of the even power. Meaning, whenever you do minus 1 power 2, it's 1. Minus 1 power 4, it's 1. Minus 1 power 6, it's 1. So
it's only for even numbers?
Yeah, minus 1 power 1 is 1, minus 1. Minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. So when it is an odd power, the minus stays. Because minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 is a minus 1, right?
Yeah.
36 times 1 power of 8 is 1, 3 power of 8. What is 3 power of 8? 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. 81 times 81 is what? What is 3 power of 8? Wait. I have some questions here. This is 36, right? I can write it out as 36 is our first. How did you guys get a 4? Okay. So when you think about the 36, right? I can write it out as 3 times 3 times 4. 9 4s are 36, right? There are 2 3s, right? You can cancel those 2 3s with 3 power of 6. So what is 3 power of 6? 3 times 3, 9. 9 9s are 81. And then you have another 9. When you multiply 3 9s, it's 729. The numerator is 4. That's all.
Okay,
You
but
don't even need a calculator, right, ma?
Yeah, but like if we were to use a calculator, how would we put in the exponents? Because I know how to do fraction.
Okay, which exponent you want to put now?
Like for -1/3, if we wanted to put 8.
-1/3, you want to put 8. Wait, amma. -1/3. Oh, here are 36 times. Okay, I can show you that. 36. The thing is, guys, after that you have a fraction. You see? So, I'll be so careful. Times you will put and then you will use a parenthesis. Using a calculator is a special skill. Please make sure you learn it. Okay? So, when you have a parenthesis, then you can have a double. If you want, you can have a double parenthesis here. So, this minus needs to be used. This is the minus you'll use. -1. Close that parenthesis for the numerator. Divided by 3. Close the parenthesis. Power is this, 8.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Wait,
why?
I thought fraction. I mean, if you don't want it as a decimal, you can click alpha and y.
Yeah.
And you can get an
Alpha?
y.
Y.
Equal to. Y equal to. The y equal to symbol, the stat plot. F1.
1 minute, ma. Alpha F1. I didn't know that. Alpha F1.
And then you click 1.
Click 1, ma.
Number 1. And then you get a fraction.
Okay. I see. I know why it is not because I. Okay, let's do it. It's okay.
What button did you click for the exponent again?
Yeah, I'll do it again, guys. Times. That's what you're asking, right? Ma Samanvi?
Yes.
Yeah. Exponent is this one, ma. Do you see this?
This one divided by 3, not 8.
Ayyo, my god. Sorry, guys. 36.
You don't have to do that. Just arrow button and then you can click delete and it only deletes one thing. You don't have to clear the whole thing.
I see. -1 divide by 3, amma.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have it on the board. Okay. That goes up. And then Samanvi, did you get it? What is it for exponent? This is for exponent.
Okay.
Yeah. Then 8, right, guys? And then equal to. Okay, now Harshad suggested a nice thing. What is that? Alpha F1, na?
Yeah. Alpha F1.
Alpha, where is F1? Please help me.
F1 is like y equal at the top. The top 5.
1 minute. Yeah, got it.
Uh-huh.
F1, 1.
Yeah.
Enter.
And no. Go back.
Can I go back? I don't know whether I can go back.
Or yeah.
Okay.
You can just click alpha and that thing again.
Alpha, thing again.
1.
1.
And then enter your fraction. So you click what at 1, so -1 right now.
Okay. -1.
And then click the down arrow button and then 3.
C, okay. Then 3.
and then click side arrow button,
Okay.
and then yeah, there you have your fraction. You can time, and then you can put to the power of 3 times 36, or like whatever manner you
Oh,
want.
power 8, right, ma?
And power 8, my bad.
Power 8.
Times 36.
Then I go to down arrow times
Yeah.
36. This
Yeah.
is also fine.
Oh.
Wait, why can't we just click alpha and then the one next to it? You know where it says link XTAN? Isn't that like easier? And then you click on link.
Oh, you wanted, okay, 1 minute, guys. You want the answer in fraction. Is there a way to get the answer in fraction?
Yeah, that's exactly what I did. I did 1 to the this is what I did. I remember what I did. I did negative 1 to the 1/3 to the power of 8, and then I got the answer to that, and then I did times 36. I split it.
Yeah, that is fine to split, ma, but I don't get the answer as a, wait.
Yes, you do.
Can
I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead. Good job. Go ahead. If you get the answer as a fraction, it's the best way to do. Go
I
ahead.
think clicking alpha and then the one next to it also gets it as a fraction.
Let's work it out, right? We all should know. See, answer is a fraction, I don't know. I always get it as a decimal in the calculator. Go ahead, Harshit. We are seeing.
This is what I did. So I did alpha y number 1, and then 1 down arrow 3 up arrow,
then power
8,
8
and then I clicked enter, and then I got that, and then I just clicked multiplication sign 36.
Enter. Oh, that's good. That's so nice. Thank you, Harshat. That's very nice. Did you guys get it? Guys, are we good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, what did he do? We can try once. 1 divide by 3 power 1. You want to, okay, so wait. Clear alpha F1. Okay, that I'm going to enter 1. This I did not know, honestly. By 3, then you go here, power 8. This is as well very nice to know. Okay, then you go here. See, the calculator tricks, everybody, meaning whomever you meet will teach you a separate trick that you have to remember. That's what I feel like it. Okay, now I have this, and then what? Times 36, enter, you get the answer. Makes sense, guys? Very nice. Good job, Harshit. Can we move on? You should go to UAL calculator contest, Harshit. Okay, let's move on. Yep. I'm not really sure if the answer I got is correct. What is the answer you got? It's okay. Lishita, what is the answer you got? Good job, Jay. Harshit, correct. Lishita, go ahead.
It was like 1 over like a bunch of random numbers, so.
But you got it now?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Avyukt, your answer seems incorrect, right, Amma? Did you check?
Yeah, I checked and answered it.
No. Did you get it right? Did you understand now?
Yeah, I was able to use alpha as well now.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm glad, guys. I learned something today. That's nice. Okay, how about this? You're going to put it as a sequence. This is a word problem, okay? You're going to read it. If you don't understand, ask. Heights form this is a good one to try. Heights form a geometric sequence. Okay. Now, what is the height of the ball? This is what you need to find. Height of the ball in the 10th bounce. This is a good question for you to test whether you learned today. Try, guys. I'm going to move on. And then I'm going to go to graphing.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
for the 12 inches, is it supposed to be 12 inches? I don't think so.
I think it's 18 inches. I don't.
Yeah.
Well taken. Go ahead. Thanks, Johan. Go ahead.
What does the first word of the second sentence say?
What, ma?
What does the first word of the second sentence say?
No, I'm so sorry. It's height.
No, the like the one before height.
It's ITS.
Ah,
I need to type it in here after. Is that okay?
yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Yeah. I don't want, like, I would like you to say the answer as a fraction. Hey Dhruv, you made a mistake in the denominator. Can you check? Oh, Kavin also got the same thing. I feel like that's not the answer. Kavin or Dhruv? Kavin and Dhruv, you both have. Oh my god, everybody has the same answer. That's not great. Jay also has the same answer. Jay, why did it become negative, Jay? Arush also has the same answer. Let's see.
Do I have the same answer? Or
Let me check, ma. Let me check. No, you have a different answer. What is going on, guys?
I don't know.
Yeah, Harshat, I feel your answer is right. Vikyat, can you check once more, Vikyat?
Okay.
Jay, can you check once more?
I fixed my answer, Mister.
You think so? Okay, I'll check, Amma. Ashrita, okay, there is one common problem I'm seeing. Oh, you checked yours. Oh, Jay, okay. Guys, I'm going to do it on the board. Let's see what is the answer. Lishita,
I simplified the fraction I sent. Is that why it's wrong? Do you think it's wrong?
No, it was not on the Let's see, Vikyat. You sent it.
Okay, I'll look at how you do it.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe, see, I'm not saying you have gotten it wrong. Okay, let's see who was wrong. Okay, because most of you have the same answer. Me and Harshit have a different answer. Let's see. A ball is dropped from a height of oh, I know. I know why most of you got it.
I also think I know.
Yes.
Because I think they said first bounce is f of 1 instead of 144 as f of 1.
Yeah, that's the deal there, right? Yes. Yes. So a ball was dropped from a height of 144 inches. Okay, so f of 1 is 72 inches. Did you all take it like that? Or did you all take it as 144 inches? You have to shout out, guys.
144.
Huh?
I did it as 144.
See, that's the problem. That is f of 0, right, ma? You know what, Harshad? Okay, I get it. Let me explain to you guys. Suppose if you have that 0, 1, 2, 3, right? The formula will not work like that. For n, then it would be r times power n if you start from 0. If you start from 1 only, it's n minus 1, Harshad. So, the first term is taken as 72 times, what was the common ratio? Who can tell me the common ratio? Who can tell me what was the common ratio?
Half.
1 by?
2.
2. Power what? 10th bounds means 9th bounds, right? 9. So now this can be written as 72 can be written as what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 9. Divide by 2 power of 9. There is a 2 power 3 here. So I can make it as 2 power 6. So what happens here? What was the answer? 9 by what is 2 power of 6?
64.
64. That is the right answer. Make sense? Anybody, any questions? Harshad, did you understand why?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm glad that we discussed one problem like that. Okay, how about this, guys? I don't want to give a similar problem. Let's see. Okay. Again and again they talk about bones. Okay, how about this? I want a harder problem. Let's see. Okay, how about this? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 500, 400, 320. That's a good one. Okay, now what is f of 8? This is straight. Yes, Avyu, tell me.
I need to go.
Yeah, go ahead. For the exam, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma. All the very best.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, ma. What's the recording of you?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Let me know if you need help, guys. Go ahead, guys. Ma, is that right? I feel like that's not right. Oh yeah, Ashrita. Ashrita, but your answer is differing by a lot, ma. I don't know why.
Oh.
Meaning, you asked me a question in WhatsApp, right? It's like that. So I
Oh.
can, yeah. So I
Oh
cannot.
yeah. Okay, so oh yeah, so I know like my second answer, like it wasn't supposed to be a second answer, it was a typo. So it's like my first answer, but like just replace the 3 with the 4.
Ah,
Yeah, no, I accidentally clicked it and I didn't want to type the whole thing, so I just typed that.
because I will not accept your incorrect
My
answer as well.
fault.
No problem.
Is it right though?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead, guys. I really want answers from many of you. It's not, I don't want to call you out, right?
Oh, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
On WhatsApp, like I understood that we have to take like all the digits if we want to get the exact answer. And like only whenever it says rounded to the nearest tenth or hundredth we change it, right?
Finally, at the last step only you have to round.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Lakshmita, that seems incorrect, right, ma? That seems incorrect, right, ma?
Let me check.
Because the answer has to be a bigger number,
Wait,
not
is
less
mine
than.
right?
I'm checking now. Yes, Harshad, you are. Did you round it too much? Okay.
Yeah, I rounded. Am I not?
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I'm good. I'm good. Vikyat, did you get it? Vikyat, honestly, I don't see you at all. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm sorry, I'll turn on my light.
Yeah, I can wait. Akshita, correct. Lishita, you want to try, ma? Even if it is wrong, send it to us.
I'm still trying to find out the like the common ratio thing.
What is the common ratio? Yeah, okay, good. I'm glad you're telling it out, right? So common ratio, how do you find out? Successive term by previous term. Common ratio is successive term by previous term. So what can you do? You can either do 400 by 500 or you can do 320 by 400. See whether they're all one and the same. That becomes your common ratio. Do it in the calculator and see whether you get the same thing. Then you can proceed from now. If you don't proceed, if you're stuck, you can ask Nidhi, correct, ma? Okay, where are we, Duru? Arush, no answer from you. I'm really bothered now.
I did. I answered.
Oh, I didn't see, ma, honestly. Roshi, correct.
Do we have to round?
Arush, I didn't see your answer. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, you can round it to 2 decimal places. Yeah, guys, I think you all got it. Hey, Johan, something is desperately wrong. What did you do, Johan?
Let me just redo it, I guess.
Yeah, what is the common ratio you're getting? That alone first say, Johan.
Is it 4/5?
Yeah, that's right. 4/5 is 0.8, right? That's right. But did you start from the first term and multiply it? Yeah, that's right.
Can I just check?
Yeah, please. That's right, Dhruv. Saman, we got it. Okay. So I think you're all good now. Lishita, Arush got it. Sorry. Lishita and Johan will wait for you. Okay. Where are you stuck? Lishita, you can let me know. So common ratio is 0.8. F of n. F of n is 8th term, right? So the first term f of 1 times r power of n minus 1. So f of 8 is equal to f of 1 is 500 times 0.8 power of 9. No, 7. That if you type it in the calculator, you get 104.85. Did you get it?
4.86.
86, okay.
He rounded.
Sure. Well taken. Any questions? Any questions on that? Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. We are going to form sequences, okay? Form sequences in the sense we are going to construct sequences, okay? Now, how about this? Let me ask you this. Okay. I have already taught you this, okay? So I want to graph it, but I don't want to do it right now. Hold on. Okay, how about this? I'm going to give you a challenging problem. Let me see, okay? How about this? The third term of a geometric sequence. See, once you figure out a way, then you will remember it forever. The third term of a geometric sequence is 1 by 27. And the fifth term of this sequence is equal to 1 by 243. Okay? All terms are positive. Okay, you know what I want to know? I want you to derive what is the explicit formula. Write the explicit formula. Write the explicit formula of this sequence. Explicit formula in terms of n. In terms of n. Do you think you can do this? I want you to start whatsoever, then only I'll guide you. You know what is the general explicit formula. The main problem with this problem is you don't know where to start. Where will you start? Where will you start? G3 or f of 3 is 1 by 27. I'll give you inputs, but I want you to figure out and shout out what you think. G5 or f of 5 is 1 by 243. What can you find from here? Only the two are given and they want us to write the geometric sequence. What to do? What can you find? Any thoughts? What can you find from here? Guys, any thoughts? We are just discussing, right? I am okay. Harshad, go ahead.
You do 1 by 243 divided by 1 by 27 and then take the square root of that.
Good job. So basically, third term is given, fifth term is given. How did they get it? To derive your fifth term from your third term, what they would have done? What they would have done? Multiply by third term to the fifth term. What should you do? Multiply by? Good job, Dhruv. Multiply by what? This is a geometric sequence you have given, right? So they will multiply from the third term. How do you get the fifth term?
R.
Multiply by R, because third term you multiply by R, you get the fourth term. Again multiply by R, you get the fifth term. Now they have given the fifth term as 1 by 243. They have given the third term as 1 by 27 times R square. Multiply by 27 on both sides. You get this is equal to R square. Right, guys? So take square root on both sides. What do you get? R is what?
1/3.
R is 1/3. How did you get that? 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, right? This one is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Is it like that? Wait, 3, no, 4. Okay. That being the case, the 3 get cancel out. So the common ratio becomes 1 by 3. Now to write out your explicit formula, f of n equal to f of 1 times r power of n minus 1. You know the value of r. You can just write it like this. What is f of 1? What is f of 1? How do you find out f of 1? Who's going to tell me how to find out f of 1? What is f of 1? You multiply by 1 by 3 to get the next term. To go back, what do? Divide by
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Again divide by 1 by 3 because 2 steps, right? G3, G2, G1. So 1 by 27 times 3 by 1, right? So that is 1 by 9 is your second term. Again 1 by 9 you are going to divide by 1 by 3, which is 1 by 9 times 3 by 1, which is 1 by 3. So your first term was 1 by 3. That's it. So the nth term is defined by this formula for this sequence. How many of you didn't get it? Please raise your hand. I just want to see. Based on that, I'll give you problems. How many of you did not get it? Kavin, did you understand, Kavin?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Please raise your hand using raise hand button. If you did not understand, I really want you to raise your hand now. Did you get it? All of you got it? Jay, did you get it? You will tell me. Jay.
Yeah, I understood this.
Oh, wow. Okay. Everybody, Ashrita, how about you, ma? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so it's a little bit of thinking though. How about this? Let's try to find out this one. Sometimes, see, when it comes to geometric
Priya?
sequences, yeah, ma?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly. You know, sometimes when you write your nth term, right, we have to write some restrictions in geometric sequence. I want to show you that, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 5, 20, 80, 320, 1280. This being the case, I want you to write the explicit rule. Can you write the explicit rule of this geometric sequence? You write the explicit rule. I will tell you how to write the restriction on that rule. Explicit rule means you are going to find out the nth term and write the formula. That's all. It's not a hard one, right? You're going to try. You can shout out to me. What do you want? If you didn't get it, you can shout out. Or you can send a message. Oh, somebody got the answer. Okay. Good job, Rishi. You got the explicit rule. I'm going to show you the restrictions. Yes, Johan, that's right. Lakshmita, that is perfectly right.
Me.
1 minute, ma. Vikyat correct. Samanvi correct. Vikyat, yeah, Jay correct. Vikyat, I did not check yours correctly. Lishita. Lishita. Why f of 5, ma? Why f of 5? Okay. Lishita, I want you to help with the way you have written the answer as well. Okay. Yes, Arshad, that's right. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to write that. Seema, this is f of n. It's not just n. N is your input. F of n is your output. We want this. F of n will be equal to the first term 5 times, what is the common ratio you all got?
4.
4 power n minus 1. Lishita, when you send this in chat, this has to be f of n will be equal to 5 times 4. You can write it out as power n minus 1 is okay. Or you can put 4, then you have the caret symbol on the keyboard, n minus 1. Okay, now guys, what is the restriction I am talking about? Akshita, correct. Ashrita, correct. What is the restriction I am talking about? When you think about this table, right guys, see the table clearly. In this table, can I apply this formula when n is, see, per the table what they have given? They have given the first term. Can I substitute n is equal to 1, you think? Can I substitute? Meaning, I don't want to. So here, basically, it will apply only from this. Right? So the n value has to be greater than or equal to 2. Why? Because n value has to be greater than or equal to 2. I am not talking about the 0th term. Okay. So second term means I require number 1. N minus 1 is being used, right? So only this I can calculate. Per the table, this is my first term that I have. So n has to be greater than or equal to 2. You got it? That is a restriction. When I write my explicit formula, I always write a restriction on geometric sequences at least. Now, let's go ahead with another one. Then you'll clearly understand what restriction you need to write as well. Let's see. How about this? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 12, 6, minus 3, 1.5. That is enough, guys. You don't need the fifth term. Can you tell me what is the explicit formula? Again, here as well, do you see? They have given the first term and the second term. So, what should be the restriction? Restriction has to be n has to be greater than or equal to 2 because you touch the n minus 1 is being used, right? That is in here. Go ahead. I want to graph this and show you as well, guys. Let's see.
Why can't do you do f of 1? Because f of 1 is equal to 1 by negative 12, right?
Yeah. See, but 0th term is not given here, right, Harshat?
Yeah.
So that's why you just, you just make sure your explicit rule caters to the table given. There is no f of 0.
But there always is a 0th term.
True. But yeah. If they have given that 0th term here, then you can say n is greater than or equal to 1. You got it? I'm just trying to cater to what is given in the table. That's all.
Okay.
For the table, you don't have a 0th term there, right? So, we adhere to whatever is given in the table. So, you say n is greater than or equal to 2 so that it goes only till 1. You got it?
Yeah.
Hey, did you guys get it? Done, ma? If you're stuck, immediately let me know. I want to see. Are you all comfortable, guys? I'm going to give you one easy problem, one hard problem before we leave for the day today. Oh wow, Leshita. What did I give you? 1 by 12 sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Oh, okay. Lishita, I think you got it nicely, right, Lishita? Yes, I see it. Good job. Harshat. Harshat, is your first term correct? Correct. Wait, Harshat. Oh, Harshat, I know what you did, Harshat. Did you take it like this, Harshat? Did you take it as a table?
Yeah.
Then your first term is incorrect. What did you take as your first
Oh,
term?
I thought it was
I
one.
know. Yes, I got it.
Oh,
Yeah, can you do that and send it to me?
yeah. Oops.
No problem. Meaning, I don't see the others taking it like that, but you can do it again. Okay, that's correct. Rushita, Jay, you all got it right. You're a little stuck. Okay, I can help you. Absolutely, I can help you. Okay, n is greater than or equal to 1. No. N is greater than or equal to 2, Dhruv. Because if you substitute 1, it's not there in this table, right, Dhruv?
Oh, yeah.
But 1 is there in this table, right? Yeah, n is greater than or equal to 1, you can write on this. You don't have to say n is greater than or equal to 2. In this case, n is greater than or equal to 1. Till 1 you can go. I go with you, Dhruv. Yours is right. Because, okay, first let me write it and show you. Here, the first term is minus 12 times r is what? 6 by minus 12. That is 6, r is what, guys? 6 by minus 12, right? Lishita, did you have that minus half ma or did you miss that?
I have minus half. I just put it as like 1 slash 2.
I saw. Minus half power of n minus 1. That's your nth term. Okay, the restriction can be greater than or equal to 1. N is greater than or equal to 1. Now, guys, I really wanted you to do one hard problem. Okay, I'm not going to give you easy problem now. Okay, how about this? Number of teams in a tennis tournament, in a single elimination tennis tournament. Arush, did you get it? Arush?
Yeah, I did. I was about to put the answer, but then you just like said it, so I was like, okay.
Okay then. I can't wait for too long, right, Amma? But you can send it. Anytime I will see. Oh, yes, Arush answered. I'll have that feeling, right? How about this, guys? Now, there are 32 teams in round 4. There are 32 teams in round 4 and 8 teams in round 6. Okay, they have given something. Okay, you're going to use this and tell me what is A of n equal to. That's it. It's not a hard one. It's a tricky one as the other one. We are going to finish with that. I really appreciate all your patience, guys. It was 1.5 hours today and we did a good job of doing the geometric sequence.
Auntie, you're muted.
Sorry. Yes. Harshad, did you get your answer?
Yeah.
But I think.
Huh?
Oh, wow. Good job, Arush. Proud of you. Harshad, I think you also got it. Kavin. Question, Kavin. Question, Kavin. Why did you get as 32? That is the fourth term, right? You have to find your first term.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
got it?
Yeah,
And yeah. And f of n I am asking. I think you have written for f of 5, right?
yeah, okay, yeah, now I realize.
Yeah, I got, meaning, conceptually you understood it very clearly because I do see your answer and I can see it, but I'm asking for the nth term. You have to go from the first term.
Okay, all right, okay.
Akshita, I think that's correct, ma. Now I want to show you how the graph looks like, okay? I don't want you to do anything, but just watch what is coming in the graph. Vikyat, I think you got it. Hey, Samanvi, Rushita, did you all get it, guys?
Auntie, really quick question.
Yeah.
Does proportionality matter in this?
What do you mean by that? Proportionality?
Like, if you like graph it and then there's like a 0, does that like matter?
Do you think 0, will be a part of this graph?
Well, not this one, but like in others, I mean.
In any geometric sequence, do you think 0, will be a part of the graph? What do you think? If 0, becomes a part of these geometric sequences, what would happen?
I mean, it could be one. Oh.
What would happen?
Everything would be. It would be a.
Everything would be what?
It would be 0, 0.
Everything would be 0 because you're multiplying, right?
Yeah, vertical line.
Yeah, because you're multiplying that one term with your. I'm just confused on how to find. Oh. Okay. Okay. Somebody's confused. So I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay. So guys, number of terms. See here clearly what they have given. 32. So I would write it as G4 as 32. G6 as 8. Now that tells you between 4 and 6 how many common ratios are there, guys. G4 times common ratio is G6, right? This is 32, this is 8. So what happens? 8 by 32. R square is 8 by 32, right, ma? So, one second, guys. R square is 1 by 4. R is R is 1 by 2. So R is 1 by 2, right? So now how do you write the nth term? An will be equal to the first term you cannot find out, right? But you have the fourth term, you have R. So you go back how many steps? So 32 divide by 1 by 2, divide by 1 by 2, divide by 1 by 2. How many division by 1 by 2? 3 divisions. Rushi, did you get it? So that would be times 2, times 2, times 2, right? 64, 126, 256. Did you get it? So thanks, ma. G1 is 256. So with that, my f of n will be 2. Johan, did you get it? I didn't receive your answer, right, Johan?
I was still solving it.
Yeah, but did you understand, Johan?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is the nth term. Any questions, guys? That's right, Lishita. The first term is correct, but I wanted the formula for the nth term. Someone be correct, ma. Can we? Okay. Now I just want to show you guys quickly. Okay. I don't want to take away more of your time, but I just want to. Nidhi, are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16, right? I just want to show you how this graph looks like. Okay. See here, guys. 1 is 2. 0, if I put it for that matter, it's 1. Okay. Do you see what I'm doing? Okay. Now this I plotted, this I plotted. 2 is a 4. See what is happening here. And 3 is a 8. Oh my goodness.
Auntie.
Yeah.
What happens if you go back? Oh.
I'll go back. Wait. 4 is a 16. Now going back, what happens? Minus 1 is 1 by 2. Division by 2, right? When you go back, right? It's division by 2, right? So minus 2 is 1 by 4. So what happens, you see? Minus 1 is 1 by 4. Minus 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 4. It comes down, 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 down. 1 by 8. You see? So what happens to the graph? Is this a line?
A nonlinear.
This is an exponential function. Exponentially it is increasing. Exponential function. Non-linear only. Non-linear, yes. But then it's an exponential function and this part of the graph keeps going down, 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 but it never touches the x-axis. It feels like it's touching the x-axis, but it never touches the x-axis. Okay. So the line with which it's trying to merge is what? The x-axis, right? So that line is called the asymptote. Okay, and the graph is an exponential function. Linear function you studied till date for arithmetic sequences. For geometric sequences, when you plot, it becomes an exponential function. You got it? Okay, we will draw.
There's one like this that tries to touch the y-axis, right? Or no?
It is there, but it will not come in algebra 1.
Oh.
Because that is a little complicated. Make sense? Okay guys, I'll stop here. Any questions for me? If you have questions, stay. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you all next week. Again, 1.5 hour class, guys. Please log in early. Okay? No reminders next time. Okay?
Thank you, bye.
Bye guys.
Bye, Priya.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
is it the same time next week?
Yes, ma. You have a problem with the class?
Like 5:15?
Yes.
Because I have another class.
Okay. Okay. Just
Yeah.
go through and come back. I'll help you after the 2 weeks. If you have any
Or
problem.
I'll just ask my dance teacher if she can postpone that week.
Don't do all that, okay? Like
No,
me,
no, it's okay.
she's also another teacher. She might get irritated. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll
Okay.
help you. You go through, watch the recording and come for sure. But you coped up, right, today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. And if you want, you can see the recording. If in case you see a problem, even after that, come back.
Okay, yeah.
After that, see, leave me till February 5th.
Okay.
After that week, I want to talk to you. If you didn't
Okay.
understand, let me know.
Okay, yes. I'll ask you questions. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Priya. Have a
Bye-bye.
great day.
Bye, ma.